Hey friends, I'm out in the garage today with the CNC. I'm gonna make a simple box with some finger joints. It's just gonna be kind of a holder for our aluminum knock box for our espresso machine. It's just kind of been sitting on our counter without any official box around it. There's a lot of cool fancy ones that you can find on Etsy, but this has just been sitting there. Thought it was time to do something cool with it. So this one's just gonna be kind of a proof of concept. I love the idea of finger joints. I don't really like to see like screws or anything. Kind of gives it a cool look. I don't know, we'll see when it's all finished if I like it or not. The cool part about this is I can just make a new one if I want. So I got online and I found a box builder. You can just Google it. It's boxes.py. It's just a Python script that interprets the numbers that you give it and spits out a nice little DXF file, or I think it does SVG and PDF. So this is what the file looks like in Carbide Create. I imported the DXF from an SVG that I converted from Illustrator. So this is kind of what it looks like right now. So I just cut it out and I'm gonna clean it up a little bit and make sure that it works. I know that my Shapeoko doesn't cut exactly what it's supposed to be cutting. Kind of the tech support said that basically it wasn't square or whatever, but I don't really have enough time right now to play around with it, so I'm gonna just sand it if it doesn't fit. This is kind of unfinished right now, but I might laser cut some cool designs on the side of it or something. But this is just kind of a proof of concept to see how that online builder would work with the CNC. So I'm gonna be completely honest, this box kind of sucks. I kind of want to laser cut one out of like a 1/4 inch wood and maybe do a little bit fancier on the top. I don't think I'm gonna do finger joints. I have some cool ideas about just kind of a way to connect all the pieces. Maybe I'll do finger joints. I don't know. I'll probably upload another video, you know, just like a take 2 version of it later in life, but I think this one's just gonna sit on the counter for a while until I get around to doing another one. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate your comments. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, that'd be cool too.